Alright, so I'm working on my 2003 Nissan Maxima. I'm trying to put this head unit in here, and this is the biggest pain I've ever oh my god. Okay, so I'm trying to get these bolts out, and I don't know if you can tell, it's like the tiniest bolts in the world, but for some reason they will not come out of there. Absolutely will not come out. So what I've been doing, when you see the hole in that, so I've just been drilling through them with this bit. So I've been fighting this stupid thing for probably an hour at least. So I had this, which is the right size, using that so I could get a good hold on it. Would not work, absolutely would not work. I was using a hammer to try and hammer it down to where it would get a good bite on it, and it would not turn it. I fundamentally don't understand why it won't do it, but it won't anyway. So if you have this issue, then get you a bit that is slightly smaller than what this hole is, and just drill through it, and then it'll pop right out. So I've already done the other side, and I'm doing this side now. This one came out fine, like originally. I was like, oh, okay, cool. And then I tried to do all these, would not do it anyway. So we're gonna try and do the last three. I'm so tired of messing with this thing. Broke into my adult beverages, which I do not drink at all, and then this stupid thing is driving me nuts. And now this stupid... Man, I love working on cars. Everything's always an ordeal, every single time. And then it comes right out, okay? So I've been messing with this legitimately at least an hour, if not longer, trying to get these stupid bolts out. Could not get them out. And I use a drill, works just fine. I'll do this one too. Boom! Pops right out. This is stock radio. I honestly don't care about the stock radio, but if you do, be kind of careful. But at this point, I've been messing with this for a long time. Not interested in this stupid thing anymore. So yeah. So, if you're having this issue, this would technically work on any radio, but specifically for some reason, these are a giant pain. And yeah, legitimately been messing with this for hours. Finally got mad enough to where I'm just like, yep, gonna use the drill on it. I'm not interested in this anymore. Boom! And now it's out. So, if you have this issue, use the drill. Be careful, but use the drill. As I have been fighting with this extended period of time, it's been super frustrating. Should have just used the drill straight from the jump. Done. Alright. I wasn't going to make any videos of this because I was super mad, but hopefully that'll actually help someone. because this has been super dumb. So yeah, don't fight with it for like an hour or 2 hours or however long I've been messing with this. Just drill them out. Way easier.